Well, all right, friends, subscribers, and internet strangers, what's up? So today, it's another Dollar Tree challenge. Am I ready to defend my title of reigning weekly Dollar Tree King? Damn right I am. Hey, if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, hey, I'm learning how to edit. Y'all see that stuff come up? And, hey, please subscribe. I'd appreciate it. So here we go. This week we have got a new challenger, Shane and Steve Alcorn. So if you're not subbed to those two guys, yeah, there'll be links down below to Shane and Steve Alcorn. See who between the three of us can find the best stuff at Dollar Tree this week. And I'm only going to one store because it's already 2:20 and this stuff's going out in 4 or 5 hours. And I've got to film it, buy it, get home, and edit it, and get ready to release it to the world. All right, stay tuned. Hey, and wish me luck. I don't need luck. This Dollar Tree is the one that's going to win it for me right here. So what do y'all think? Dang. Next. Should we try Shane with his own mess? Alright, we found a good one. These lights here, these sunbeam lights. A 2-pack of them sells for $9.58. There's only 14 sellers. And you return $4.59 less $2. So you're gonna make around $2.40 on two. That's a good one. The good rank is in top 1%, top 2% of home improvement. Anything else? Hey, what about these tarps over here? Vacuum storage bags. Uh-oh, they show up anyway. You made 29 cents. No thanks. You make 75 cents. No thanks. All right, how about Latoya? Hey, look, this right here is a Shane Dollar Tree right here, not a Soul in sight. This is some awful stuff you see in the in an ASD catalog. They swear you can sell it. Uh-oh, we might have to go back to books again. Dadgummit. Let's try some books. Got a lot of them. I don't recognize any of these. Sometimes you have to go back to try. Here we are back on the party aisle. And we're definitely getting these. We're getting these. What else can we find to be the death of Shane and Steve? How about some party hats? I'm gonna send these the party hats just so they'll be happy when they're losing to the bearded picker. Damn it. All right, what about some little things? Damn it. Do y'all see anything else exciting? Oh, look, Spider-Man. You always gotta check Spider-Man, right? Spider-Man's a winner. Alright. What about Mickey Mouse? Because they can't buy Mickey Mouse. Ah, damn it. I know I could type it in, but I don't feel like it. I'm trying to be one of them lazy resellers today. Let's see. Is that funny or what? Oops. All right, now y'all know this. If that was Shane would not have been down and picked this up. But this is the bearded picker, so I'm gonna pick it up and put it back on the thing. Is that nice or what? Winner. All right, one thing I'll tell you is you got to look everywhere, because I just scanned this Power Rangers frame. It's $2 million in home, which is a good category. It's like 4%, but this thing makes good money. They had 3 of them, so we're buying them all. But see how I almost missed it. See how it would in the very corner. Look everywhere. That's a terrible looking pen, by the way. And if you need yard sale labels, public service announcement from the bearded picker. I'm always looking out for you. Rubber bands. Nope. Ooh. We gotta switch phones because the other phone is dying. All right, that's a really good rank. All right, had to save that picture there. I'm gonna check Sesame Street just cause that's my favorite character on Sesame Street. None of y'all can't imagine that. The Count. Come on, baby. Come on. Big money. Terrible rank. All right. Could the bearded picker be a brony? You never know. No items found. All right. How about let's check Sophia. Sophia. Good price, terrible rank. One of my favorite things to buy, Transformers. Damn it. I'm gonna have to type them in. We'll be back. All right, I still didn't find nothing. So I'm gonna go gather up everything I found, put it in a basket, and then pay, and I will recap this video at the house. I feel kind of iffy about this, but I should at least come in second place. But I know y'all are gonna vote me the first. Y'all can give me a pass, right? All right, so it's many days later. Let's see, what did I end up with? I ended up with 9 books. The profit on those 9 books, all sold like new, $1 under buy box, $34.73. And I'm buying 8 lights, $1.30 in profit each. I bought 5 tablecloths, $1.80 in profit each. And I bought 3 Power Ranger photo frames. They totaled out to $8 profit total. So the grand total, let me do some quick math. I'll be right back. Alright, the grand total on profit was, alright, the grand total on profit was $62.10. So it just shows you that, you know, I didn't go heavy on books. Books made up half my profit. So books are, Dollar Tree, that's probably the most profitable item I find at Dollar Tree. But there are lots of other items that are just varied from store to store. You know, those Power Ranger frames are a good example. They're not in every store, but it's good money there. And the tablecloths, you know, they're worth picking up because, you know, you don't have anything but $1 in them. You throw them in, you make some sales. Remember, especially if you're newer, the more sales you have, the more of a history you'll get, and the easier it will be to get ungated in the future because you'll have a sales history and all that kind of stuff. Just be diligent with your receipts and keep track of them and write ASINs down on the receipts. And I would definitely take pictures. I just choose not to source Dollar Tree because there's so much opportunity out there, but it is a viable option. My buddy John Chartier built his empire a lot with Dollar Tree, and he has an awesome company. Hey, thanks for voting for me. Winner of 2 in a row, right? Like, comment, subscribe, share. Appreciate you. See you on the next one. Roll Tide. We're going to do Dollar General next. How much money can we make if we go penny battles? That's going to be a good one.